Fresh bait.
Well, so much for bait.
You took my worm.
There goes your bait, babe.
Yours still has a hook. It was fresh bait. Here. Let me see. Yeah. Catfish.
So you want some cut bait? What are you gonna do?
I'll use some cut bait.
Okay.
Get bigger, buddy. Si me regalas. That's not the same fish. We're ready for.
Okay.
But if you can, check the bathrooms, just to make sure that those drains are working. Ya que estamos aquí. I got a bunch of rocks.
I don't have a bluegill yet.
One on you?
Bobber right now with the bluegill on it, and then I got a smaller bobber with a nice.
It's not like chili powder.
We're just sitting here drifting around on the float tube around these big old nice rocks. We've already started catching some nice little bluegill and blue cats. One channel, my first channel out of Elephant Butte. It was a little one, but it was still a fish, so it was nice. But yeah, I'm pulling a bobber right now with the bluegill on it, and then I got a smaller bobber with the night crawler. So I'm just gonna paddle around these rocks and see if anything decides to take either or. It's nice and cloudy. Cools down a little bit because it was hot earlier. It was super hot. So that shade is very welcome. Let's see if anything wants to take any of this. A live bluegill, a big old night crawler. We're catching everything from when we first got here. We were catching all those small blues and bluegills with red worms, but I decided to leave those with Gigi so she can continue to fish if that's what she wants to do, is catch more bait for us. So I brought the night crawlers just in case maybe something bigger will want to take it. But we've always fished off of these rocks when we come out here with Chris. We've never float tubed around them, so this is going to be pretty interesting. Hopefully we can hook into something nice. We've caught a bunch of different types of fish around here, from catfish to walleye and smallmouth, largemouth, but we're trying to see if we can find a monster, maybe something big around here that wants to take down that bluegill. So we'll see what happens. Here come the waves that boat that just passed created. I can see them coming towards me. Water levels have gone down quite a bit. Try throwing the snake crawler closer to the rocks. Now that I'm right here. Big old night crawler on there. Let's see if anything decides to take it down. That little wind is making it hard for me to move around here. I'm not paddling too hard, but it's still pushing up against my back. Oh, something's hitting it. Got it. Ah, he popped off. Ah, I don't know what it was, but it popped off. Oh well. Hopefully I can get him on this next one. I don't know what it was that hit it, but it hit it pretty good. I thought I had a good hook set on him, but obviously I didn't. Let me adjust this worm. Oh man, I just got a knot in my stuff. I think I'm just making it worse. Oh, no way. I'm hand reeling it because my line's all tangled up. I got a catfish. Maybe he'll help me. I'll let him run with it. I don't know what the heck happened here, man. But this is horrible. Yep. That was bound to happen. Okay. I gotta reel this guy in by hand. You weren't able to help me, buddy. I was hoping you were. But now I'm gonna have to retie. Set up all my stuff again. There we go. Thank you for playing. I got a big old bird's nest and I had this guy on the line. Oh, my bluegill just went down. Got him. Ooh. He's not even that big and he took my bluegill. Oh, this guy is dark. Look at that guy. He's super dark. Yeah, big old dark blue. Get bigger, buddy. Fish on. That feels like a bass. Oh, it's a catfish. Come here, little buddy. I must have thrown it right in front of him. There we go. Nice little blue cat. Get bigger, buddy. My rod was almost falling out. Let's go back. Okay, let's throw this worm closer to the rocks. Okay, work our way back. I caught another small blue on the night crawler. I thought he was a bass by the way he took off with it. It's wanting to rain again. Another catfish. These guys are feisty today. Come here, buddy. There we go. Another little catfish. Get bigger, buddy. That little guy hit the worm hard. Got another bird's nest. What I didn't want to do. All right. I'm gonna have to retire this one for today. I got a bird's nest. Got tangled up pretty good. So I'm gonna retire this one for today. I'm gonna have to restring it. The mic that's missing.
That's where it was at? In the flow tube?
And I washed it out and everything, and I couldn't find it in there. I opened up all the pockets. I rinsed them all out because they were full of bait and stuff.
Do you think it still works? Hopefully not dried out.
Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you guys for watching.